So here we are on the delivery trail. Now we're in Portsmouth. We have a TV. I hope this gentleman team is my team, or else I'm not getting TV. Big boss, I want to get TV, but I don't know. You met me last a while ago. Brother. I don't know. It's a part of the whole thing still, but yeah, all is well though.
Yeah, man, everything's good. Man.
Which team are your team?
Team.
Yeah, what, Premier League football?
Yeah, Man U and bring.
Man U, alright, give him team. Manchester United, I'm saying. So, all is forgiven. The last way you met me last, it is forgiven. And we appreciate your business and you're the best customer ever, right?
Right.
Man U. Man U. Anything you want to say about the service card? Today
Yeah,
Sunday.
service perfect.
Service perfect.
Yeah.
In the Sunday we run come.
Yeah, that's fine.
Right. You're alright with that?
Yeah.
Okay. There you have it on the delivery trail. Already say Manchester United. What else can I say? He's a football fan. This TV will not change station. It buck for Man U, right? Alright, thanks a mil. Alright?
Alright.
I'm looking forward to doing more business with you.
Same.
Alright, good. So this is the first package, by the way?
Yes, it's my first.
The first?
Yeah.
Oh, yeah, sir. So you're going. Big TV for the first chance. I like that. Make sure you invite other friends and family. We're looking forward to it. I know that you proved that we are who we say we are.
Yeah.
You must work and spread the word.
I will.
You will?
Because I tell my mommy about it. She's definitely on board. Yeah.
Mommy on board already?
Yeah.
Alright, have a good one.
Alright.
There you have it. Another customer, another good customer. We already told mommy, and mommy want to come on board. We welcome mommy. As long as mommy support Manchester United as well. I'm gonna get in trouble for that one, but that's fine. Have a good one.